In today's video, I'm sharing with you my charming spring cards, all adored with very pretty papers, card toppers, and picket fences. Who wouldn't like a picket fence in their yard, right? So this is going to be the giveaway card for today's video, so stay tuned so you can learn how you may be a winner of this card. Katrin here with European Paper Crafts in the US. Welcome to my channel or welcome back. I am so glad you're here. With spring around the corner, Easter just a few weeks away, let's get into spring crafting. So let's get started. When I think of spring, I think of something like this, a beautiful spring landscape, and then here a picket fence, and then cute little bunnies. This background here is an Etsy download, and I can link it below. You can find lots and lots of beautiful backgrounds and also fuzzy cuts on Etsy. You do have to, of course, print. These are digital downloads that you have to print on your printer and then cut, but I don't mind it, and they're really inexpensive. What I have done here is I built this fence myself. So white picket fence says spring to me, and this one here is one that is a little bit rugged, right? This one is already falling over, and I built it myself just from white scraps. So 2 pieces horizontally, and then I cut these pickets, wooden poles here to make that fence. Different sizes, they don't have to be perfect. Even this little pick up top doesn't have to be perfect. I inked the edges, and then I added this gorgeous easy 3D topper. This one again comes from the Easter flowers I've been working with this season. You have 10 beautiful embellishments in these packs, and they're all coming in 3 steps. There are already pre-glittered and beautifully cut, no white edges, so wonderful. And here it is, this, look at this couple of bunnies. I mean, they're so adorable. Then I have a butterfly here. The butterfly comes from the All and Create. There's a pack just with butterflies, and there are actually 64 pieces in there. And then there's a pack, 49 pieces of butterflies and beautiful flowers. So these are, again, beautiful quality, no white edges, just gorgeous. So, and I like that they come in different sizes, so you always find the right size for your card. And then last but not least, this little birdie here that sits on my spring greetings, which I computer journaled and then I inked the edges, is little birdie sticker. And these stickers are now discontinued. So I do have a few left in my shop. So if you want to get a hold of these, you need to get them now because they won't come back. And these are so cute because I like that they look in different directions. That really helps on your card. Sometimes they want to look in this way, sometimes the other way. It also has some glittered bird houses. So absolutely gorgeous, pretty cheap too, I have to say. So yeah, if you're interested, go check them out. I'll link them below. But here's my first card, and I think this card came out so cute. I love it, and this will be a pack of spring cards that I will offer in my shop. So if you're interested, you can find it there. Moving on with my white picket fence cards. Here it is. This one here is actually interactive because you can open it up, and it is made from 1 piece of white cardstock, and I have a photo tutorial that I will insert here in this video so you can take these shots and see how I built this cute card. Again, you start off with 1 piece of white cardstock. So let's take a look on how you build this card, and then we come back. now you saw how quick this card can be made. What you can do is you can either add this to another card, or you just use the back for your message. I think this is super cute. This pretty tree here is from the booklet. Let me see. I just had it. Yeah, this comes from the Spring Ephemera booklet. You can find this booklet on Amazon, and it has a lot of beautiful prints in here. Again, you need to cut it out, but I like it, and this is where I found this gorgeous tree. And then in front of my tree, I have this very pretty fence. Again, I built that fence myself. Oh, there, I'm sorry. Just like the the photo tutorial showed you, this cute little chick here comes from the Easy 3D pack called Easter Chicks, and aren't they just the cutest? I love those. The artwork is always so beautiful from Hardy Crafts. And all the pretty flowers. It is so spring-like. It's got all, yeah, everything you would want. Tulips and forget-me-nots and the lily of the valley, and then gorgeous Easter lily. So absolutely gorgeous. And look at this one here. So pretty. Again, I added a butterfly from the butterfly pack. And I also have a little bee here. And that's still from the Let's Spring Begin, the wooden bees. So cute. I got these in my shop too. And they are just the perfect size to add to your cards. There is, of course, a second card I made, and this will be my giveaway card for this video. So if you would like a chance to win this card, then all you have to do is be a subscriber to my channel and leave me a comment, and hopefully, if you like, a thumbs up. But I would like to see your comments if you like these cards. So the feedback helps me continue with my channel, because it gets harder and harder to get people to watch. So if you still would like to watch my videos and see my cards, please give me a comment, because that will help. And here again, I did the same technique. This beautiful paper, including this sentiment here, comes from the paper pack I introduced last week, and this is a Graphic 45, an 8x8 collection pack. It's called Spring is in the Air, and it's got the beautiful bunnies, gorgeous papers. And if you want to see all the papers, check my check last week's video. I go through all those gorgeous papers, and there's lots of beautiful cut aparts, as you can see here, and even little stems, everything that is in right now. I love these colors, and that's what I have done here. And then of course here is my cute little chick and another cute bird. There we go. So when I tried this technique to make these cards and how am I gonna cut into the card, I miscut my first card. I cut this part, but then the other one I cut up top here. I don't know why. It was just miscut. But I didn't want to throw it out. So I made another card with it. And here it is. Now, because of the miscut, you can see this is how it looks now. It opens up. I just had the cut at the wrong side. So, yeah, and I think it still came out nice. What I have done here is once I figured out I had cut it the wrong way, I just cut off a little bit more from this right-hand panel here, and I added this strip of punch. This is a border punch that also looks like a fence, and I did the same thing for up here. So again, when I miscut it, I just cut off a little bit more here, and now I have this cute card, and I think this will be a retirement card for one of my friends who also will retire with me. This very pretty pansy flower here comes from the Spring Flowers, and here it is. Again, you can see all these gorgeous flowers, beautiful colors. And here they are, and again, glitter paint already on there. And you can see the same paper pack for this card with all the beautiful blues here of butterflies in there. There's a butterfly from All and Create, and then It's a beautiful day, so I thought that would be great. It's time to celebrate, and that might be a retirement card. But I really liked, that was a mistake, but I liked how it came out in the end. Okay, so then you can of course use a die, and I have this beautiful fence die, and you can see how nicely this die fits on this card. Oh, by the way, these cards, let me see, these cards measure 5 by 7. So these are 5 by 7 cards, and if you have a 5 by 7 card, this fence will be perfect. You see how it fits on here, and of course with one pass through your die cutting machine, you have the entire fence. But you also see how you can build it yourself. Now, what I like about this die, first of all, it's big enough, and of course you could cut it if you need it smaller, but it's already rugged. See how this fence is already, it's got some imperfections here, and I think that looks so nice. And again, I used a little bit of ink for the edges, so it looks even more rugged. This one here, I did not cut in the middle. So this this is just a die that I added to my card. This beautiful background paper is a Brutus Monroe. It's called Spring Splatter. And I went through this paper pack a couple videos ago. So again, I will link it below if you want to see the entire paper pack. It's so gorgeous. It's double-sided, and this Brutus Monroe has beautiful papers. And then here again, one of the cute chicks and a butterfly. And this is my side folding card. And this is really spring. I look at this and I feel like spring is here. Okay, now you don't have to cut a white picket fence. Why not have a wooden picket fence? And that's what I have done here. I just used the fence die. And by the way, this is a die by Studio Light, so beautiful. And I used just some brown paper. Here I have again used the background paper is from Brutus Monroe from the Spring Splatter. I have this gorgeous little bunny here. That bunny is from the Easy 3D Cute Bunnies. So look at how absolutely gorgeous those bunnies look in their faces. And here is my cute little bunny. And I wanted something that he can look up to, because you can see how this bunny kind of has his eyes up here. So I had to put something in this corner. And what I had on my craft desk was this gorgeous sheet here from Find It. And it's called the Purple Blossom. And it's got this beautiful lilac bundle here. And then other two cute purple flowers. So I thought I'm going to just add this one here in the corner and one of those little birdies here. And here is also a bird house from this pack. And this cute little chicken here is from the Easter Value Pack. And there's only like 2 or 3 left. So if you want to get your hands on this Easter Value Pack, which is really a huge value, then go get it. This beautiful chicken is in there, and it's just one of many, many beautiful items in this pack. So let me link it below. And then I just, with my die, I cut some grass out here, and I added the beautiful bunny. And then Bunny Love is also computer journal. So if I don't have sentiments, I just go in Word and create on the computer all kinds of sentiments, print them out, cut them out, ink the edges, and I have my sentiment. But yeah, and of course one of the cute little birdies. Yeah, I don't know what happens with little birdies, if they're out of business or they just don't send it over here to the United States any longer. I also found this cute with the bunnies. Look how cute and gorgeous this one is. That's also out of stock, but I got a few more. So if you like cute little bunnies like this and you want to have them peek out of somewhere, that's available as well. Okay, and then since I had this Find It sheet out here, I also used this pretty flower here with all the steps. This, by the way, is die cut, so all you have to do is press it out. And here it is, and it sits here on this fence. Now, this fence here was also a brown paper. This one here is a darker brown paper, and I think that looks really nice too. I had some butterfly paper in my stash. And then, oh, by the way, I didn't bring it in, but these gorgeous transparent and embossed stickers are still available. And again, that is something that doesn't come back. I don't know what's happening, but a lot of companies no longer send their stuff to the United States. So this one here is a due day sticker, and due day is I can no longer get them. So what I have is what I have. If you would like some due day stickers, go check them out right now. I still have them, but I won't be able to get more, at least not in the immediate future. So yeah, due day and also the little birdies is currently no longer available. But then here on yeah, more of those butterflies, and look how cute they are. They're not stickers, so I just added a little foam behind it. But I think this is also a very cute spring card, and I like how this one came out. Okay, and to finish all of my pretty picket fence cards, here is this bunny, and that fit right in there. It comes from the Easter flowers, and there it is, and it sits right there with the picket fence. So you don't have to do anything. You don't have to create it yourself. You don't have to die cut it. It is just a topper. See, here it is with 3 layers, and the flowers are already there. The only thing I have added, again, a background paper from the ephemera book. And then here is one more birdie. Look how cute these birds look when they sit there on the picket fence. A happy Easter journal. And there it is. And I think this is a super cute card for Easter. And I can't believe how Easter is right around the corner. We only have like, what, 2 more weeks? And then comes the Easter weekend. So yeah, now it's time to do our Easter crafting. And here are the 8 cards I created for today's video. I will have a bundle in my shop where I offer these picket fence cards if you want to purchase them for a value price. And don't forget that this will be the giveaway card. So if you're the lucky winner, then check in next week to see if you won this card. There are still a couple of cards that have been unclaimed. So you need to go back to my channel to check if you have been the winner. And I didn't have your address in my store, then you need to let me know where to send this card, so go check it out. But yeah, this card winner will be announced next Saturday on my YouTube channel in the announcements. So but yeah, check out the other ones that I will create a bundle pack. It would really help me to sustain my store. So thank you so much. I hope you like this video. Please leave me a comment, leave me a thumbs up, and share this video with your crafty friends and family. That would so much help me out. Thank you very much. I appreciate all your support. Please stay or get well. Happy spring crafting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.